Floods are dangerous and can kill, but you can prepare yourself to be ready. Don't drive, ride a bike or walk in floodwater. If you need to relocate to a safer place with friends or relatives, find a safe way to travel. Prepare an emergency kit with a battery-powered radio, torch, spare batteries, first aid kit, phone charger, medication and your emergency plan. For emergency help, call the New South Wales SES on 132 500 or 000 in a life-threatening emergency. If you need help contacting the New South Wales SES in your language, call the Translating and Interpreting Service on 131 450 and they can call 132 500 and interpret for you. Remember, these tips will help you get ready.